पहले एक्सक्यूज मी के सवाल.
Oh dear.
Ready?
Oh dear. Okay, I didn't even know you had this segment.
हैं? यार क्या मतलब है? मैंने अगर तुम्हारी किताब पढ़ी है, the least you could have done is watch the podcast.
मैं रील्स देखती हूँ 20-20 सेकंड की.
AI, show me Meera Sethi book reels. I'm sorry, there are none. Oh, rare. You'll be surprised that my son was born in London.
I am.
So that's why whenever we talk, the T's have to be there.
For a Pakistani, that is actually really good.
Thank you. I'm well read.
I didn't think you'd be able to pull it off.
Oh, God.
I really didn't.
That's what she said.
Family.
It's going somewhere else.
Family share.
All
like
right.
I said. Okay.
Is ready for excuse me?
Okay. What is excuse me?
I'm going to ask you a series of questions.
Okay.
If you don't agree with them, just answer.
Okay.
Okay. एक चीज जो मीरा सेठी कभी नहीं करेगी.
Drama serial by somebody who I really don't respect.
Writer, director, could be anyone.
Mostly it's the writer.
Okay. We're not moving on.
Oh dear.
Forgive and forget. No.
नहीं मैं क्या मैं कौन होती हूँ मैं तो एक I'm a cog in a very big machine.
Right. एक चीज जो मैं ट्राई करना चाहती हूँ.
I want to write a screenplay and I want to push boundaries in a fun way.
Fun. Define fun.
Define
no,
fun.
No.
Romance and identity
Actually.
stuff.
एक प्ले जो काश मैंने लिखा होता.
Oh, what a great question. राहत काज़मी वाला धूप किनारे.
Ooh.
I had such a crush on Rahat Saab in that. Oof.
Sir.
What a play.
Yeah. एक role that I would love to play.
I'm writing it for myself at long last.
अच्छा.
That's the one I'm writing. अब मैंने बहुत मुझे अब हो रहा है एंग्जाइटी हो रही है कि अब अपनी एक चीज़ के बारे में नहीं बात करनी चाहिए. ठीक है.
एक अपनी आदत जो मुझे जहर लगती है.
Impatience बहुत सारी हैं बताऊं. Impatience. Sometimes I can be a bit lazy on like I can just be a bit lazy. Sometimes there's a lot of fear in me, and I try and fight it. But like I can be quite fearful sometimes of like being in situations where if I don't agree with someone, like that kind of thing. Yeah, I think those are 3 things.
Okay. Thank you for controlling yourself. Because you were about to get carried away, but
Isn't that the whole point of a podcast? Is to get carried away.
Oh yeah. एक चीज जो काश मुझे पहले मालूम होती.
That nobody's coming to rescue you.
Oh wow.
And you are entirely responsible for your choices, your mistakes, your successes. It's all on you, baby. The sooner you learn that, the better.
One thing I always wanted to tell my father.
Oh, that he's a brave man, and that I love him, and he knows that, and I love kissing his scalp, and that he's been a great dad.
One thing that I want my mother to change.
Ooh. I think Ammi should exercise. It's very good for her. Aajkal swimming जा रही है. I think that would be very lovely for her. I think she should take time off. She has a very hectic life. She is she's a strong lady who's always doing stuff. अपनी मेरी अम्मी से बात करें तो वो phone पे होती हैं. She's got a lot going on. So I want her to take some time off.
Okay. One thing that I learned from my brother.
The art of perfection and having impossible standards.
Yes. अब मुझे कोई कहता नहीं यार तुमने अली से मैं when you reach perfection you're like yeah I'm sick and tired of him being perfect all the time. He's really improved. Like
I mean also but his standard for himself, and I think that's something that I've learned. Standard for अपना आपका अपने आप के लिए क्या standard है?
Yeah.
That's the question.
But then वही वाली बात है ना, you have to be mad.
You have to be mad. थोड़ा सा पागलपना होना चाहिए आप में.
I can understand.
Yeah.
Okay, एक चीज जो मैं रीडू करना चाहूँगी अपनी जिंदगी की.
La. एक चीज़. Actually, nothing. Because I think Ali asked me this. He said, Meers, do you regret anything you've done in your life? He asked me this about 2 weeks ago. And I said, no. And he said, wow. And I don't, because I've learned so much from everything. I've had such amazing experiences. Or जो नहीं भी amazing थे, there's always a lesson. And whether वो आप उसको metabolize करें art के ज़रिए, आप उससे आप therapy पे चले जाएं, I don't regret anything. Touch wood.
Oh, that's good. Okay, एक co-star जिसे मैंने सीखा.
फन के बारे में या दुनिया के बारे में?
नहीं, चर्च का सिगरेट बना, जाहिरी बात है फन के बारे में.
नहीं, बिकॉज लोग फलसफे भी झाड़ते हैं सेट पे बैठ के.
अच्छा, हैं भी वो भी. चलो मैं अगला सवाल ये करूँगा.
I think Adil is a very strong co-actor. I've learned a lot from him about. He's very insistent about what he thinks should happen in a scene, and he gives you a lot of space to perform. And Adil and I have very good chemistry, and I've learned a lot from him.
Adil
Hussain.
Oh, okay.
He's in Dr. Bahu.
Yeah. Okay. One actor that needs fresh mints.
Ooh, I cannot think of a single one.
Sure.
I've never come so close.
अच्छा जी, एक प्रोजेक्ट जो काश मैंने ना किया होता.
Oh, no, nothing really. You know, I don't know if I want your opinion. The bad stuff nobody remembers. The good stuff people remember. So the bad stuff, jitna bhi aap kar le, nobody will remember
the bad stuff you remember, na? I remember the bad.
You
roles
do?
That time. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't enjoying myself, and I know it was a payday.
Yeah.
So might as well do it. So I remember those.
Yeah, I can't think of anything because I think check mila, you know, dostiyan, yaariyan. So I can't really think of anything.
अगर एक law pass करना चाहूँ जो कभी ना change हो, what would that law be?
I think church and state should be separate. And I think that we have a lot going for us as a country, but I think church and state should be separate. I think a multiplicity of identities is beautiful. I think we should let people be. I think we should let people live. I think we should be a plural republic. We can still have our identity. We're very proud of our culture. But that's something that I would love to see happen. I don't think it's going to, but I would love to.
एक biopic that I would love to play.
Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto. I would love to play Benazir Bhutto, and I think I could do it. I mean, if it ever came down to it.
The resemblance is there.
So you're writing it, Batsab?
A Punjabi writing a Bhutto biography, that's going to be tough.
I think permission bhi chahiye na family se.
I think उनके अपनी family के अंदर ये मतलब they wanted to write a biopic on Zardari, they couldn't.
Really?
But I think that's one of the saddest things पाकिस्तान के अंदर. मैडम के ऊपर चीज़ बननी चाहिए थी. नुसरत फतेह अली खान साहब पे
बिल्कुल बन रही है.
जहांगीर खान पे बननी चाहिए, भुट्टो पे बननी चाहिए. मतलब you know there's so many.
भुट्टो सीनियर पे तो बन रही है एक doc feature.
Doc is something else. You see, people are scared of showing the true person जो real life में होते हैं. Because जब आप किसी की बायोपिक की बात करते हैं ना, then you have to show the flaws. It cannot be goody two shoes all the way. I mean, then अगर मैडम के ऊपर बनती, then you need to show the sacrifices. You need to show the losses. You need to show her as a person.
You need to show the contradictions and the beauty and all of that.
That's what people are scared of. Especially the Khandan is scared of that.
बस यही तो है ना Khandan. But there is a way. West में आप देखें इतनी बनती हैं. There's a way of holding it all in a way that the contradictions are also apparent and the charisma is also there. वो बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं.
Okay. अगर मेरे वालिद साहब पे कभी फिल्म बनी तो who you would love to see play him?
मेरी नहीं, but वो एक्टर नहीं है. So I actually can't think of anyone who looks like him in the industry.
No, the younger. मतलब why?
Oh, I see.
सेठी साहब को इस एज में क्यों दिखाना है? सेठी साहब, you're the 70 सेठी.
Cambridge University के graduate.
The swinging sethi.
Swinging sethi. Who could play him? I can't think of anyone. Somebody thin and nerdy. Who is thin and nerdy जो ऐनक पहनता है?
I think हो सकता है.
अच्छा.
Ali Rahman maybe.
No, वो अब्बू का वो फिर वो बहुत वो नहीं.
Okay, fine. All right. Acha, so I'm going to name a few dishes
Okay.
लॉरी, इट कुड बी एनी डिशेस. आपने बताना है कि किस बंदे को आप ये डिशेस खिलाना चाहेंगे. इट कैन बी एन एक्टर, इट कैन बी अ पॉलिटिशियन, इट कैन
Sure.
बी एनीवन.
Sure.
सबसे पहले मीठा पान.
मीठा पान शेख रशीद को.
शेख रशीद. शेख रशीद मीठा पान.
I feel like he would put it in his mouth in a way that would be interesting.
Not going to go into details.
Yeah,
but
of
yes,
course.
I'll
I
take
mean,
your word for
okay.
it. Okay, कढ़ाई, मटन.
वो तो फिर ताड़ नाल खानी पड़ेगी.
डन जी डन. मटन कढ़ाई मेरे.
और पता है मेरी इंस्टाग्राम की बायो पे क्या लिखा होता था? मीरा सेठी. Also, I love मटन कढ़ाई. वो मैंने उतार दिया, but I love मटन कढ़ाई.
तो लाइन है लगे. हलवा पूड़ी.
हलवा पूड़ी मेरी जिंदगी में लोग भी हो सकते हैं.
हाँ
या
हाँ.
जानने वाले.
Oh, anyone that pops into your
Oh,
mind.
हलवा पूड़ी I would love to have with my childhood best friend. कपरी की हलवा पूड़ी 5 AM जोरा के साथ हलवा पूड़ी खाने जाएं हम.
Okay. नान चने.
नान चने मियाँ साहब नाल खाने चाहिए ने.
ਹੁਣ ਮੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 2 ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ. ਖੈਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 3 ਹੈਗੇ ਸੀ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਚਲਾ ਗਿਆ.
पर समझ ही नहीं आई मैंने. मेरे समझ ही नहीं आई.
ਓਹ ਮੀਆਂ.
अच्छा oh my god.
Oh my god.
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ.
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਜਗਤ ਹੈਗੀ ਸੀ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਡ੍ਰੌਪ.
Mic drop.
ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਵੀ ਮੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ, ਸਾਡਾ ਚਲਾ ਗਿਆ.
But I think
ਹਾਂ, ਤੁਸੀਂ
किसी
ਕਿਹੜੇ
ने
ਮੀਆਂ
मियाँ
ਦੀ?
साहब ने पूछा ना मियाँ साहब ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ
ਵੱਡੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਮੀਆਂ ਸਾਹਿਬ.
ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਮਿयाँ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਖੋਇਆ ਤੇ ਕੀ ਪਾਇਆ? ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਜੀ ਨਾਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਾਇਆ ਤੇ ਗਾਜਰ ਦੇ ਹਲਵੇ ਨਾਲ ਖੋਇਆ.
ਓਕੇ ਓਕੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. ਸੁਸ਼ੀ.
Oh, sushi I would have with a friend in London. Sushi I would have with my editor. In fact, my editor took me out for sushi, my editor in New York.
Okay.
Yeah.
गुलाब जामुन.
Gulab jamun I will have with my brother. We'll go and have gulab jamun. That would be fun.
अच्छा.
उसको अली को मीठे का बहुत शौक है.
ओह ओके. दाल चावल.
दाल चावल मैं कल्ली खावांगी. A steaming bowl of dal chawal that I will have with प्याज and हरी मिर्च on my own when I land in Pakistan after being away for a while.
चिकन कॉर्न सूप सर्दियों वाला.
बुशरा अंसारी साहिबा के साथ.
चिकन कॉर्न सूप.
चिकन कॉर्न सूप.
ओह हाय अल्लाह, ये कौन मेरी जान के टूटी मेरी. आए वाह वेरी नाइस. अब आपा ने मुझे इस पे कहना है हाय उल्लू के पठे तूने मेरी नकल उतार दी.
हाँ. उन्होंने वो कहा था ना कि स्लीवलेस पाया दहशतगर्दी तो नहीं की थी. आपा इज द बेस्ट. अल्लाह आपा.
ऑलराइट जी, लास्ट certainly not the least, ओजरी.
Skip honey. Skip.
Have you ever asked your father to have ojiri?
No.
Hello, ojiri is like OG.
OG.
Oh.
I don't have the constitution for that yet.
Okay. नहीं मगर आप किसी को खिला सकती हैं ojiri.
Some really lovely Punjabi producer. वासे के साथ. वासे चौधरी के साथ.
मजे नहीं खाता ojiri.
देखा ना.
Yeah. उसका मुंह उजड़ी की जरा.
ये सिर्फ एक बेस्टी कह सकता है.
उससे मुझे गलती नहीं. खैर नहीं.